This is the beauty and the park. Look how nice around me, guys. So nice. The beauty and the park. And more beauty is in front of me. Na ay batiis nga murag batiis ni kuan hukugan. Kaila ka ni hukugan ding. Nya naay ko ano. Naay braso nga murag si gihangat nako. Akong tiyan mura naghilot og kuan self-service. Kasi alam mo yon, for many days that just stay home, go to work, come home, go to sleep, wake up, go back to work. That's life in Canada. Anywho, mag-survey na mi sa among luta. Lutid ay. Manang worried man ka? What's your malfunction?
Ito yung connect doon.
Mo pa'y sugod niyag laka, gareklamo na, walk! Kay magsuot na ba kasi imong beautiful gown? Keep walking!
Puro man si madam.
Magkuhan na siya, mag-attend og ka ng Italian wedding.
Lagi na ma-immerse. Oh, this is where the other park is.
I told ya.
Tala, balik ta. Dili ni siya mo connect sa boardwalk.
Ito, oo. Hello? No, ni si Hukugan. Hukugan! O kani si Kuan, muscle man. Shoo! Murag mo ulan. Wala lagi bugs. Bakit ganon?
Maybe they spray this one guys. Because there's hoses here. Naglibot man yung mga balay. Yeah.
The beauty of the nature is this. Yan. Where's the other one? Where's Marcela? Oh, napay mata ng iyang t-shirt.
Naka-leggy.
Yeah, where's your pinongkol? You gonna get ready your pinongkol.
Where's your bicycle shorts? Your pick shorts. Pick shorts sa ano lang yung Cuba. Oh, Cuba daw.
Mag-pick shirt. Mag-pick shirt daw sila.
Sa Cuba kasi walang hiya ka doon.
Are you ready for wrestling?
No, you are.
Tukan lang to.